Okay, I have some big updates on these following players. Apolis, Velepai, Fistin Maele, Saleng, and also Mhleli Mabuza. So let's just jump straight into the video together. Let's go. Okay, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Today I have some transfer updates on the following players: Apolis, Velepai, Fistin Maele, Saleng, and also Mhleli Mabuz. I'm planning to make this video short, so I will try to be faster. So Apolis, there's a rumor. There are rumors that Kaizer Chiefs are now go interested again in Apolis. So they will be negotiating with the player again. Siyazi sonke ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs was uh, interested in this player. He is Naby's target, so they are now interested again on the player. So we will see if the deal goes through, because ngizwa ukuthi ne-Pirates, they are also on the race for the player. So yeah, Chiefs must do the right thing and bring the player to natural. Another player who was linked with Kaizer Chiefs, but the deal didn't happen, is Velepai. So Velepai was supposed to come to Chiefs with a fee of around 4 million and two players on top of that fee. But Cape Town Spurs didn't want with the player. Now, Umfana is a free agent. He can join any club of his choice. So I think Kaizer Chiefs might also go for him, because yeah, he is free and he will save some money, and he has a huge potential because he's still young. He can come and grow. Although we don't want players to grow as Chiefs, we want players to perform, but I think Velepai can be a good addition to the team. Tell me what you think about Velepai coming to Chiefs. He's now free. We could have gotten him with 4 million or 5 million plus some players. Also, Fistin Maele, let's talk about Fistin Maele. So he had an interview with SABC during the day, because ula South Africa right now, uzodlala ifinal yakhe against Mamelodi Sundowns. So bambuzile ukuthi the rumors of you coming to Chiefs were real, and Utena, it's true that Coach Nabi contacted him last year, December 2024. He wanted him to come and join Kaizer Chiefs. He also said he loves playing. He will enjoy playing in South Africa. He was happy playing against Pirates, and that he contributed. So that meant so should Kaizer Chiefs last contacted Maele in December 2024. So there are no contacts right now. Another player is Saleng. Saleng is currently he doesn't have any luck there with Pirates, so it looked like the player will be parting ways with Orlando Pirates, and it seems like the rumors are stating that Kaizer Chiefs might be on the race to go and get Saleng. So hopefully again Kaizer Chiefs can do the right thing and get Monapule Saleng and add him to the squad, because we have many competitions to play in next season. Another last player I will talk about is Mhleli Mabuza. So in my last video I talked about him. This video I'll be talking about him, that He's currently training with the team, so they are assessing him while training with the team. So he's a likely first signing of the team, if I'm not mistaken. He will be our first signing of the team. Kubukeka kanjalo. So what do you think about Umhleli Mabuza? If you want to see him, go and search or his videos on YouTube. You must find him and look at his performance, his physique, his running, his crossing, and everything. And tell me, what do you think about him being on Kaizer Chiefs players next week? Not next week, next season. So please do comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kulabo abangisupportayo. Please keep it up. Danko.